Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your toggle aim in Apex Legends PC. All right, let's go ahead and pick up a gun. So I'm going to show you right here. So as you can see here, when I press on right click on my mouse, it is set to toggle. Now, what if I wanted to just make it to hold? Like when I hold this one and release the hold button, it will just go out. All right. So I'm going to press on escape and click on settings right here. And I'm going to go ahead over to mouse and keyboard. Now I'm going to go ahead and scroll down right here. As you can see, mine is set to aim down sight toggle. So what we're going to do is just click on aim down sight hold, click on it and press on right click. Now go ahead and press on escape. As you can see here, when I just tap on the right click on my mouse, it will just look like this. Now when I hold it right there, as you can see, as easy as that. You can also change the crouching right here under controller. As you can see, aim button is now set to hold, crouch button, maybe hold as well. Now press on escape again. See, when I press on crouch, I can just spam it. It's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.